Hello and welcome back. Today I would like to give you another quick tip. If you do only occasional metal work with a grinder in your workshop, you're probably not equipped to deal with a metal dust. So here's something a lot of knife makers use when they are grinding on a big belt grinder, but it also works with a smaller angle grinder, for example.
What I'm talking about is a simple spark bucket. This is a bucket filled with water. In this case I also added some soap to create foam, which increases, I think, the effect. As you can see, I'm holding my workpiece over the bucket with a jig, and a majority of the sparks and the dust end up in the bucket. However, you should still wear PPE, wear a dust mask to protect yourself. That's all for today. Thanks and bye bye.